How to apply for ABN? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in apply for ABN and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, open it. You will be directed to the official website of ABN. You will be directed to the website. Once you're in the website, scroll down. You will see the option of apply or reapply for an ABN. Go ahead and click on that option. Here you're going to find important information about ABN. Check in that box and then click on next. An ABN identifies your business in Australia and is required if you are getting paid for goods and services. Remember, it doesn't replace your tax file number. Now here you have to go to the application details. Here you will confirm if you had an ABN before and enter your tax file number if you have one. If not, you will need to apply for a tax file number first. Business information: confirm that you are an Australian resident for tax purposes and provide your personal details like your name and date of birth. Specify your business start date and describe your main business activity such as food delivery services for Uber Eats. Associate details: this step only applies if you selected company or partnership as your business entity. Most of you can skip this step. Reason for application: choose why you are applying for an ABN. For example, if you are an Uber Eats driver starting a cleaning business, select contractor. Declaration: this is final part. Review your application carefully, print a copy for your records and then submit it. If everything's correct, you should receive an ABN immediately. If more information is needed, cooperate with authorities. And that's it. This is how you can apply for ABN. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.